Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still looking at this as a big ABC. I still think it's either going to make a expanding flat wave C or possibly a running flat wave C. Either way, definitely still in an uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see some of these subdivisions. I think this is a wave 1. I think this is a running flat wave 2. That makes this right here a wave 1 and a wave 2 and a wave 3 of wave 3. So this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. And yeah, it is definitely going down, but as long as it doesn't break this low right here, I'm definitely still calling this a wave 3. It could easily make a pretty significant pullback and still be a wave 3. So let's go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move right here. I would expect this to be a crutch into the whole move, which means it's probably going to go someplace between the 38 and the 78%. It would also be nice if it made like a three-way pattern, like some sort of an ABC, something like that, before it actually continued the uptrend. So that way we could get a nice clear three-way pullback to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, so far this is all just one series of lower lows, lower highs, still just one trend. Most likely still just a wave A of the bigger ABC correction. Now if it does go up and break structure, then that tells us the wave A is over. Whether or not it's going to break structure today or not, I have no idea. As long as it doesn't break structure, I definitely will keep on going short. I mean, if it just keeps on going down, then we should just keep on trading to the short side every chance we get. If it does break structure to the upside, that's probably the beginning of a wave B, which will probably look something like that, and then another push down for a wave C to come. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. So based on all those higher time frames, we should definitely be looking for shorts right now. We are most likely in a wave A still. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last little series of lower lows, lower highs, which does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in it. So most likely we are now making a correction to those 5 waves. I don't really think the correction is over, even though it kind of did make an impulsive move down. I think this is more likely like a wave A. This is probably more likely a B. It's probably more likely to pop up again for a C. And now when it pops up, if it goes up and breaks structure, then that's going to signify to me that it's making a correction to the whole move down like a wave B. If it doesn't break structure and it makes 3 waves onto a Fibonacci retracement with a nice engulfing move to the downside, then I will definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.